And there we are back at it, friends. Happy Tuesday. It's 9:30 actually right now. Good grief. What are we doing? Sorry, as always, slight technical difficulties this morning. I couldn't get my mouse cursor to go to one of my screens. So, yesterday's challenge of long onlys, unfortunately, when the market completely lawn darted the first 2 hours of the day, didn't work out too well.
No.
So today I think we're just going back to free market. Let's just trade how we trade and see if
Free
we can't,
market, free will.
yeah, get a good stinking green day out of it, Ugh. Which I'm almost tempted. I'm not going to do it today, but one of these days this week, I want to do a fresh account with you where I go back to the NQs. And I'm just going to
Oh,
try to
shoot.
do NQs that day.
Yeah.
Because it might be just an insane thing that, like you're seeing yourself, you're a very, very, very good trader, and you're having really good days with MNQs, but you're also having a lot of bad days with MNQs. And how you write that ship is,
Right.
interestingly enough, with NQs.
Right.
So
Right.
I'm curious if maybe, and I know that the volatility is just a little bit different in NQ, it's just maybe a little tiny bit slower and stuff like that. And I wonder if all that stuff
Right.
makes I don't know, difference. Or with me taking profit early, instead of me taking profit at like 14 bucks, I'm taking profit at 200 bucks.
Right. Right.
Now, of course, the losses will exacerbate, but
Well, and if your drawdown's usually just a few points, if we get in the right spot
yeah,
and you're playing NQ, well, taking 4 points on NQ is way better than
yeah,
MNQ. So
right,
if
yep,
we're getting in the right spot, it's not that big of a deal. That's the right spot is always critical for us for sure, especially when you're trying to scalp it.
right. Yeah, I like it, man. So we'll give her a try.
I'm gonna try right there, just stop below the low. It may push right back down. Kind of a big stop, but I'm hoping that shoulder holds right there. No, maybe. Come on.
Come on, baby. Come on. Let's see a push.
There we go.
Let's see a nice little push here.
Come on.
Oh, come on. For a half a second, man.
Yeah, I mean we had 14 points, 15 points for a second, so this candle closes. Let's see if it rips us in the face or if it runs up.
Oh, man. I just tried to move my stop into. Oh, damn it. I did that the wrong way. No, how dumb. I just literally tried to move my. I was zoomed out too far.
Yeah.
No, come on. Oh, we were up on that trade, and I was literally trying to get out of it, right? I tried to move my stop and profit, and instead I moved. I don't know. I don't know what the hell I did. We'll move on.
Well, and I got kind of I mean, I'm still in,
Shit.
but I kind of got lucky. I didn't realize that we were on MNQ. So, hey,
Yeah.
I'm out
Yes.
now. That's a big push.
Damn it, man. All right, let's see. So, what would targets be if it wants to keep falling? Obviously, yesterday's low was 667.
Yeah, I kind of want to see what it does with this 718. That was a big pivot yesterday. We kind of went through it yesterday, and we kind of bounced back up. So, oh, and it just pushed right through it. So,
Well,
right back above it though. So,
I hate I gotta fix my screens every single morning now. Stinking thing. Alright, there we go. That looks a little better. Man, VIX went through the friggin' roof.
yeah, it did.
ES is almost down to where I would consider support, but we're still a little far away. We bounced at 708s. I still think 666s or me, 684s you'd think would be in play really quick. Little push down.
It had that nice push down. I tried to catch that push down, but I got in right at the top of it, so I'll give it just a hair bit of space, not too much.
Uh-huh. Still wants to push down, maybe.
There we go. Come on, push, baby.
Come on, get a good push.
Oh, come on.
Come on, baby. Get back to the 760s at least.
Wow. Nice little bear flag again.
Yep.
Just eating it up.
Yep. Alright, let's see. I mean, again, 685. 685's got to be support. Oh, man, you back in. You a nutball.
Oh, I was still in, so.
Oh. Let's see, NVIDIA.
9696. Good morning, Driving Obsession. Good to see you here, buddy.
Hey, remember to swim today, gang. Thank you, Driving Obsession. 10 o'clock, consumer confidence. Do we care about consumer confidence?
Cool. Just gonna eat it again. That's terrible. I got in again right there at the bottom of that shelf there, thinking that was going to be support.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, VIX is still spiking
Time
pretty
to quit.
good.
Yeah, time to quit fighting the short. I mean, NVIDIA is just gone right now. It's kind of at a pivot point, so it may get a little bounce right here, but
Yeah, man, shot in the face. Otherwise, it's coming down to yesterday. 185.96. $6.94 we went to.
Charles says all in on shorts, no risk, no gain. Just kidding.
Just full tilted.
I'm gonna say, Charles, we just faded you.
Yeah, you're getting a nice push right now too.
Hey, there's 60 points, guys. Come on.
Real nice push right there.
$70 points.
Real nice push. Shoot.
Who
me,
does
I
it like
didn't-
this, guys? Who does it like this? Sinker swims in the house today.
Shoo!
Come
Nice,
on.
man.
90? Can we just do 100?
That's insane,
than
man.
100.
That's a push right there. That's a push right there.
100.
Yee!
Take that off. Woo! Look at that, guys. 100 points to start the day.
Look at that. Look at that. Shoot, man. That's a nice trade. So it came up to came up to VWAP, came up to almost the 200 at 836 here. Came up to 816s. Let's see if we get a little reaction down, or we're going to keep pushing up now. VIX just completely fell off the cliff.
Yeah, it's insane that we got that big of a bounce.
Yeah, that's a big bounce. That's a big old bounce. Guys, you calm down. You nutballs. Jet. No bark.
Hey, Jose, what's up, buddy?
Good God.
Good to see you.
Hey, morning, Jose. How we doing, friend?
You're asking us what's up. We just hit a 100-point trade, my friend.
100-point trade.
Right off the bottom.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. So straight up to the 200 there. VIX is still going down. Man, yeah, ES just completely reversed its move. I mean, basically same thing with us. Everybody's good God, popping pretty good right now. Not to chase it, but let's friggin' chase it.
That support line.
Whoops, wrong thing.
Yeah, ES swept it. You're right. You're right, driving obsession. That's kind of what Greg was looking at a while ago. Is it had pretty good support right there at the 68.35s roughly.
Yep.
And it just swept it real fast and ripped right back up. So, yeah. Took a lot of shorts out there. Or a lot of longs, I guess, and then ripped to the top.
Good God, let me shut this door. The pool guy is here right now. The dog is freaking out. Calm down. Ugh. Which, man, that stinks actually. This is a cold day for a pool guy. I would not want to deal with that water right now. All right, gang. Where's the next one? ES swept it, so I guess it is enough. VIX is still going down. NVIDIA is still curling up, but I mean, it's forming just a really nice, I mean, technically at the moment, bear flag. But Q is blasted up. ES is blasting up. Man, look at our 1 hour. Our 1 hour candle looks crazy.
Yeah.
Hold on. Look at this thing. Man, why is this screen always messed up these days? Come on, guys. Can't we have a... Is that the right one? That's not the right one. Can't we have a professional stream? There it is. Look at that 1 hour candle. That thing's a monster.
Insane.
Right? Yeah, it's a monster.
I mean, a perfect buy off the 690s, though, right? I mean,
yeah.
Wow.
Alright, let's see if we can't get a trade in there. Ooh.
Ugh, that's. I think that's the candle. Yeah. Shucks. I mean, can we have a new day where this actually goes and pushes through the top now?
Yeah, I know, right? I mean, we have a massive shelf right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck me.
Rejected.
Come on. Let's see the push. There it is. There's the push. Oh, you still in it too, man. You're so good. You so good.
Maybe not. Don't say that yet.
You so good.
Here we go, guys. Come on. There's one out. Took out the highs.
Yeah, man. Remind me that my next trade that you agree with, we just got to hold together. You do such a good job of holding, and then I just get out.
I got in really late. I mean, I wanted to be in at the 54s, and man, I didn't really as soon as it just kept pushing, I went ahead and got in way up here at the 80s with you, and you were already in. I mean, you
Yeah.
got in at like 60s, didn't you?
No, I was late too. I was 83.
Oh,
And then out at 95, 94.
we're just gonna see what this one does, guys.
I hit
No
my
stop,
10
no
and I said, I'm
TP.
getting out. I mean, it looks like 950s could be in play. I don't know what all these blue squiggles are. Yeah, I would say like 951. Maybe 937, but
I mean, it'd be awesome if we could go back up over. Who was it the other day? Was it Charles or who was it that got 25,000 and it went to 25,040 or something?
oh yeah.
Maybe we need to go back to that. We got to get a pullback now, though, right, guys? I mean,
They hit the
we're up
930s.
240 points off the bottom or something.
Yeah, what a stinking rip, man. I mean, you got a huge portion of that move already.
It doesn't sound good though now when it's 240 up and I got 100 of that.
Yeah, well, look at your trade right now. And now what are you
It's
at?
doing better now.
Yeah, you like 140 of that. That's not bad. I got like 30 of that.
Hey, but we're proud of that 30.
I'm proud of that 30. That was a solid 30.
I mean, what does the chat always say? 10 points a day keeps the 9 to 5 away.
Right? Though I got to do it with more than
Still
2
pushing,
micros.
guys.
What time do you plan to stream till today?
I don't know. Why? What you got going on?
I'm gonna take him to the science center.
Oh, you gonna take him to the science center? What time?
Well, if you're planning on streaming all day, I'm gonna go now.
Oh,
And if you're planning on hopping off in the next 40 minutes, then
40 minutes. I don't know about 40. That was the one that we just went to, right? The one that has like the orange conveyor belt and stuff.
yeah, the science center.
Yeah, yeah, I do like that one. I don't really want to get off at 10:30 though. Maybe like 11:30.
I'm alright that long because I just want to watch TV.
Yeah,
And I gotta come back and I wanna make jam and granola and all that stuff.
yeah.
So maybe I'll take them to the science center. You can stream for a little bit longer, and then maybe I wanna do some dishes.
Some dishes. Get out of here. Oh my god, it's such a nightmare situation over there right now too. There's our 950s, and the man in the cowboy hat is still holding on to it.
Let's hold, guys. What are we doing?
What the fuck, man? What was your entry? Your entry was 83.
882.75. So yeah, 883.
So almost a second 100-point trade. Back-to-back 100-point trades for the man with the cowboy hat.
Let's go.
That's insane. Insane. And it's live on YouTube. I mean, not to dog
It's the only place
anybody.
it does it, guys.
Not to dog anybody. But I don't think I've seen D Money do a 100-point trade.
I have never seen him do it yet. I know he's capable of it, but
I'm just saying. It's the hat. That's the secret, man. I got to get a cowboy hat.
right?
Apparently, I need
Yeah.
to
I
get
mean,
a
you gotta
cowboy
put your
hat.
hat on when you're riding, right?
Right?
And I almost didn't wear it this morning, so it's a good thing.
Damn, man. Wow, and VIX is just gapping down as fast as it stinking can. Did we get, maybe Trump is saying something. Saying something about his tariffs or something. Man, it would feel so silly for me to join the party now. I think we're like, yeah, we're already kind of.
Yeah, I mean, this is kind of the top right here.
Yeah.
This 952 area is kind of where it wicked through before. It kind of wicked through there and cleaned it up. I'm really surprised they're just holding right here.
Yeah.
Order
Not to fade you, bud, but I think it's finally time to try a little short.
I
think
would
it's
agree with that 100%.
it's a
Yeah.
relatively safe spot for one, you know. But at the same time, there has been just a lot of buying here.
I mean, kind of if it doesn't hold this 9-10 area, I'll just get out of it. But
Come on. Ah,
Stop filled.
that's why I gotta buy two. I gotta start buying two so I can have that runner.
right.
All right,
Order filled.
back in. Oh shoot, it is 912 though. It's bigger than I thought it was. These candles are moving a little bigger than I thought.
Yeah, I kind of have mindset. You know, these little squares are 10 points, where we usually have it. They're 5 points. So.
Right. Let's see, you got 5 seconds left of this candle. Nah. There's kind of your move right there, that candle. That's almost a good sign for you.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want this one to be kind of. I mean, we've pumped so hard. I mean, if we get a 30% retracement, even, I mean,
Makes sense.
you know, we're looking at a pretty decent drop. But so I'm kind of thinking this may be a little bear flag, a little 1 minute bear flag setup, maybe.
Come on, baby. I mean, the good news, we're winning either way.
Yeah, there you go.
If it goes up, we're getting another 100-point trade out of you. If it goes down, we'll get something out of it. Finicky devil. I hope it just doesn't wick first to go down. What time is it? 9:53. Come on, you stinking thing. I want to see like an 882. 882 would make me feel a lot better.
Yeah.
We're finally up to green on the day, so actually I'm going to take this stop probably early. That's all right. Hey, we're green on the day. We did it. Hey, chat.
Hey, and just for the record, guys, Greg did a phenomenal job yesterday afternoon and ended very nicely too.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. He was up.
Hey, we don't have to show the scorecard. But
We're learning, chat. Listen. If you read the description of this chat or this friggin' YouTube channel, it clearly says we're learning. Oh god! And now watch, this thing's gonna rip 100 points down. I fucking missed it because I'm a little puss and I get out too early. It was good watching you at Cowboys, Greg. Thanks, man. I enjoyed it over there.
Yeah.
You know, it's interesting not being the, I don't even know what to say, like the person, not like person in charge or something, but the person, you know, yeah, I don't know, second in command. It's interesting being like the second person instead of the first.
Yeah.
You can kind of pay attention to things a little bit better, if I'm being honest. You know, I was able to pay attention to my charts a little bit better. I was able to pay attention to what you were doing. Like, look at this. I didn't even know you were in a trade right now because I'm just rambling, right? And
Well,
like
I'm still in from
yesterday,
earlier, so
yeah, yesterday, last night, I was locked in. Oh, you're still in. You just never got out. Yeah, right. Makes
yeah.
sense. So let's see. I got out at 9:04. So
Now
boom,
we're
there
at
you go. I could have
big
gotten
push
20
down.
more
Let's kind of see
points.
what is it going to wick right there, or is it going to try to come to 65? I'm going to wait just a second. We should wait, chat.
Yeah, this is our 9:55 candle right now, playing out. Oh, she's still got a lot of weakness in her. What's up, Miguel? We're doing it, bud. We're doing it.
Order filled.
Hey, shorty. This friggin' dog today, man. Alright, there's the 45 right there.
Stop filled.
Still squeaking out a couple little guys. Oh, shoot, you went long again. You little devil.
Just right there on that wick. So
You little devil.
that's why I didn't say nothing.
That's why I didn't say nothing.
We don't fade each other, chat.
Well, man, it's important though, again, because then it helps us target maybe like our exits and stuff like that. I'll be like, oh,
Yeah, I mean, this is what I called out just a second ago. That I kind of thought maybe. I mean, when it bounced through the 21 while ago at the 80s,
yeah,
I was like, okay, is that going to be a good wick? And then I look back to the left. We didn't have a wick on this 944 candle,
yeah.
and then we had support right there. So that's why I wanted to be patient. I just waited, and then I just snagged one small one right there off of the bottom.
Dude, makes sense though. Shoot, you talked me into it.
Up 25 points right there. Come on,
You
chat.
talked me into it.
There's 30 points.
Stop
I'm going to take it off right there at the 9.
Woo! Yes, he can.
There we
Yes,
go.
he can. Yes, he can. Man, point-wise, that's interesting. How many points have you had today? You're killing it with the points.
Well, I mean, we're playing micros, right? And we're up 539. So what have we got? 260 points?
That's
70
pretty damn
points?
good. Pretty damn good. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm heading to Ellie to grab the material, then heading to the fireplace job. I freaking asked this guy yesterday what the schedule was, you know. And out of nowhere, he says, which there's probably like a day left of this job, right? I'm in that proverbial, we just need one more day, right? Literally,
Yeah.
like we were supposed to be done Friday. Friday, 100% done Friday. Yep, Friday. We know it's going to be Friday. We're going to be done Friday. On Friday, we're just going to need one more day, you know?
I kind of want to see this bear flag play out, but I don't think I'd want to get in. I mean, until we got down here to the 55s, but just to kind of make sure that was a nice continuation move. But
Yeah.
then I don't want to be in that low.
Well, let's see. Nvidia's right on its 200 right now. Well, they're just a little bit below it. Q's is on its VWAP. ES is on its VWAP. VIX is still spiking. But you're right. It almost does look like I mean, kind of a flattened head and shoulder, maybe.
I mean, I love that this 70 area is our support. I love that. But I mean, if our EMAs weren't right there, I'd already be long. But
Yeah.
they're pointing down, trying to curl over each other.
Hugging and kissing.
I think we got to get back up to this 912, but I don't want to watch it go up 30 points either.
Oh my God, man. Look at, and again, look at the 1 hour. That's a crazy 1 hour.
Oh, is that not the craziest doji ever?
Look at that, dude. That's crazy.
And we got a pivot point at 24,888, and then we got the 200 at 886. So
Yeah.
that's kind of what we're fighting right now.
That's
The
wild.
1
Oh,
hour
here goes
just
the bear
opened,
flag.
guys.
Here
It's
goes the
pushing
bear.
straight down. So I'm thinking maybe if we get to the 850s, maybe a hair lower, try to be a little patient on it, but maybe try to snag it right there. Maybe 842,
Yeah.
846, 842 area, maybe. God, I don't know, guys. Kind of right there.
You gotta see though. It might just fall off a cliff right here. What time is it? This is our 10 o'clock candle. So this is our consumer confidence candle,
Oh, okay. Is that where we're getting that drop?
which I didn't think I wasn't sure if consumer confidence was that big a news.
I'm gonna try just a couple right there. I mean, this is strictly YOLOing, but I had drawn a line at 824 a couple days ago. The VWAP on the 1 hour is 831.
Come on. Give us the push. Come on.
We got a little support at 816, 815, but then we're all the way down to 790 if it doesn't hold.
Get back up to the 200, at least 848s. Come on.
Yeah, if we can clear this 40 again.
Come on.
There we go,
Push
guys.
her up. Push her up. Shit.
Stop filled.
I'm gonna take a couple off right there. Got 2 left.
I gotta start going in with more than one.
I'm gonna set my stop right at the bottom of those shoulders there.
Hell yeah, bud.
Up 30 points now, guys.
Shoo!
2 left. And right, we're just playing off the 1 hour, guys. I mean, that's strictly. I mean, if we're playing off the 1 hour, we're pumping. We could easily go back to the 880s, or this could be just a real nice bear flag on the 1 minute. So.
Yep. Ooh. It's a good looking wick. Real good looking wick.
Order filled.
Back up our 30. I may take another one off when it gets up to the 9. That 862 to 868
Yep.
is going to be a little bit of a pullback.
There you go. There it is. There it is, bud. There it is.
Look at that. There's 50 points. And again, still got one left, guys. Took one off for 50 points. Now we just let it ride, right? Let it ride, Greg. Let it ride.
My God, man. It's beautiful to see.
And you look at the 1 hour, I mean, that was the only reason I looked at that. I mean, if you look at it, we had drawn a line on a smaller time frame at 8:24:25, I think is what that line shows.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's just the line I drew, so that was probably some kind of support. But then our VWAP was right above that at 831. And then our 21, we pushed right back through them. But that 1 hour open, no wick, and just pushed straight down. So that's the only thing that gives me the confidence. So.
Well, now we do have a nice, like you're saying, we have a really nice down wick now too. So it'll be interesting to see. Do we continue down, or is that just our quick wick? Jesus Christ, Jack! Hey,
if this 840 can hold, guys, you know that's kind of our telltale. But
stop.
I mean, we took 2 off for like 10, 15 points apiece. We took 1 off for 50 points.
Fuck me.
We'll just let the other one ride and break even.
Phew. Yeah, beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade.
On the 1 hour, our 9's holding right now. Our 21's right below it. So they haven't really crossed, but
And we're sitting right,
well, will kind of be our tail.
Just barely below the 200.
Okay.
On the 1 minute, it is looking like a nice little bear flag at the moment, but Nvidia's pushing.
It does look like a bear flag, and I think as long as this 832, you know, is kind of our all-in.
Well, but at the same time, it's a beautiful bull flag on the 5 minute for everybody. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Well, and see that 840 right there held, guys.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we'll just see what we can do.
I'm gonna give her a try. See if higher time frame beats out lower time frame. Should at least 878. Hopefully, where's 878? Oh, that's not really that much higher. Chad, if you don't friggin' stop, man, you're killing me, bud. You're killing me. Killing me.
The 1 hour is really fighting to stay above the 9. It's at the 21 now. Right back above. So it's the second it went past the 9, it just jumped right back above it, guys.
Yep.
The bulls are really wanting this to hold right here. So let's see if this is our half retracement. Kind of is. There's the push up.
There we go.
I mean, we couldn't have picked the bottom much less, Chad. I mean, that candle, the low of that candle was 1950. We got in at 20.79. We just let it ride, right?
Woo!
70 points, 80 points on
Whoa, whoa, whoa! It didn't take my stop. Oh yeah, it did. I was like, what the? Come on, man. Come on, bud. Not stinking bad though, man. Not stinking bad at all. And you're still in it. And the guy's still friggin' in it. He didn't even take it off. He's still in. Look at him. He's a madman.
Yeah, you're right, Charles. I mean, there's not really a good target point right there. It pushed down. So now we're just looking. It cleared this shoulder at 876. It's pushing right back under it. So that would have been a good target for my scalping to take. And then my next target would have just been the next shoulder, right? 914, 934, and then through the high of the day. But we just want to see if this is a pullback to continuation higher. So
I can't believe you didn't take it, you madman. Look at you. Man, I think you're batting at 100% today too, aren't you? It's got to be close.
let's see.
Yeah, batting at 100, boys. Holy shit! And what are you up? I can't see it.
698.
Nice, man. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. So reaction back down here to the 200 now. Let's see what
So
happens.
now we may get this wick through. Yeah, see our 40. It popped right off our 40 again. So if this was going to be a real nice inversion recovery, this could be it here. But sometimes, you know, it's going to wick down through. So on a 4 hour, we got to clear that 878 area. We kind of wick through it. That 885.50 is a pivot point on the 4 hour.
Man, real nice push back up from the 838s. I mean, we're up another 50 points again already.
Yeah.
Jet, hey, stop. Every 2 seconds with you. Yeah, I mean, that's a real nice looking bull flag on all the 5 minutes. It's looking real nice. I mean, if we can break 880s again, you would think this would be the time that it'll fully push.
Yeah.
Ah, don't chase it, Greg. Don't chase it. I want to chase it now. Dude, it's definitely going to... Oh! Aggravating. It's 10:09 right now. 30 seconds left. It's definitely going to pop. Look at that. Green is about to... The 9 is about to go over the 21. Oh.
Yeah, back up 70 points, guys. Let's go.
Oof. Beautifully done. We got 15 seconds left of this candle. Nvidia's pushing up. Everything's pushing up. Dang it, dude. I should have jumped in. I just didn't want to chase it. I should have chased it. 2 seconds left. Let's see if we come back to that 9. Or is it just gonna go? She's just gonna
Can we get
go.
100 points? Yeah, 100 points.
She's just gonna go for back-to-back 100-point. Wait, this is your third one. Is this your
Yeah.
three-peat? Three-peat 100-point trade?
Oh, look at that. What did it get to? A point shy, chat. A point shy.
Dang, man. That's crazy.
You can see how that 914, that shoulder we just talked about, that driving concession was kind of asking where, and that's just scalping. I mean, that's not a higher time frame or anything, but on our 1 hour, we're rejecting the 200. So
Yeah.
I'm just going to move my take profit up to the bottom of that previous wick. So
I was almost
guaranteed
thinking about
47 point.
I was thinking about jumping in this long. Basically right here, if it broke that 200 part. Ugh, again, not to friggin' chase this thing now.
Got
But
my TP at 100.25 points.
nice.
The quarters for my commission fee.
What would this be? 83. See a better push than that, please. Yeah.
Stop filled.
A little bit too.
Come on, look at that. 100 points, guys. Let's go.
Shoo!
Light those candles.
Look at this, man. Where else? I mean, honestly.
Can you get a tall bin out of the garage that has our clothes in it?
Yeah.
I pulled them out of the dryer last night.
Oh, okay. Where else on YouTube, though? Please tell me. Where on YouTube have you seen live somebody do 3 100-point trades? I mean, literally, think about any of the YouTubers you follow. Who is hitting 3 100-point trades? Except for the Trading Cowboy and Sink or Swim Trading. That's amazing.
Well, and think about it, guys. I mean, we literally talked about it for, a minute or two right before the trade. We talked about the 1 hour. We watched the 1 hour open. We watched it push down right into our support, right into our VWAP. I mean, we caught the thing a point from the bottom, and we rode it all the way up for 100 points, guys. And we talked ourselves through every support as it went up, where we were going to pull the shoulders. And we clearly sold it at the top. I mean, we took it off 921 even. And the top of our candle, our highest candle was 22.75. And now look at it.
Man, these clothes are so stinking cold.
Charles targeting 25,000 from 24,827. Let's go, Charles. I thought about the 25s, but then in my head, Charles, I was thinking, okay, I mean, 25,000 I think is doable. We targeted that several times, and I was thinking, but if I don't get 100 points, is that a video or is that a stream? Or so I had to take it off instead of trying for the 25. But
Dude,
we're hoping it
beautifully done, though. Beautiful call out, beautiful trade, beautiful conviction, beautiful hold. Beautifully done.
And there's a lot of guys on here, right, that sell you their course and all that, but they still don't talk to you through the chat of what they're thinking. I mean, we're telling you what we're thinking, and then we don't get to hear y'all, so y'all can just say those guys are idiots, or
Yeah.
hey, look, they were right. But we're the only ones here that are actually saying, hey, this is what we're doing, this is what we're thinking, this is what the chart tells us.
And we're still gonna sell you a course, too.
Having fun trading together.
Yeah. Yeah, man, honestly, it's probably time to start working on that course. Even you could do a 100-point trade. The Trading Cowboy
Yeah,
way.
even you. The 100-point course. And look at my new Ferrari.
Yeah, man. I mean, There is something to that, man. Instead of buying a $3 million apartment complex, you could buy 5 or 6 high-end exotic vehicles, and then you just say, "Look at what trading has given me," you know?
Yeah, yeah.
And literally, you just sit on your Lamborghini while you day trade, and then boom, instantly overnight, the channel's blown up. So like,
Mine would
wow.
be way more redneck though. It'd be look at my collection of Ford Super Duties.
Oh, I know. Yeah. You got like an F450 diesel,
Yeah,
It's fucking It's got the dualies on the back and everything.
Yeah. Look at my new cattle trailer.
I'm
Look at
with
my-
it. I'm with it, dude. Like I said, man, I know how funny is that. Honestly, we're very similar people. I'm so excited about the prospect of me getting this 7x16 trailer, and like,
Oh yeah.
man, it's the blackout edition and everything too. It looks so sick,
Oh,
man. It's in Georgia. They're gonna
Nice.
drive it down. I mean, as soon as I pull the trigger, I almost pulled the trigger yesterday, but I just want to talk to my buddy.
And
real
Georgia's
quick.
like the best place to get one too, isn't it?
Dude, I'm
they're like
friggin'
the-
Lee. Like when I go on
Yeah.
Facebook Marketplace, I'm inundated with Georgia trailer companies. It seems like there's like 50 of them in like a 10-mile radius or something. It's crazy.
Yeah. I know a lot of guys here that sell trailers and they drive to Georgia and get like truckloads and stuff and then bring them back.
Yeah.
And that's
Wow,
what
man.
they do. They sell them on their own, kind of private individual guys, and have a little business, and they'll pick up 5 or 6 trailers and bring them back. And
Yeah, there is somebody local that I think did that too. Actually, hey, what's up, Zero Dawn? Because he has like 4 trailers and they're all marked up about $1,000 compared to the Georgia trailer, and it looks the exact same.
Yeah.
So I think that's
Yeah.
exactly what he did. He just picked up 5 trailers and he's trying to make $5,000 basically.
yeah,
Ooh, babe, I keep seeing your little boobies
Hey,
pop below that
you're
screen
live
there.
on YouTube. Stop.
There's like 2 people watching right now. And they can't see your boobies.
or 500. I mean,
Yeah, we actually we did top 1,000 today, man. So
You made money?
listen, we made views. All right. Do you want to make money or do you want to make views?
Money.
All right. So Zero Dawn, you missed a nutball in the cowboy hat here. Has had 3 100-point trades today. And in addition to that,
zeroed on it.
you also had like a 50-point trade, maybe 1 or 2 50 or 60s.
What were your trades like?
I got a couple trades in.
Did they go up or down?
They
I mean,
went
not
off.
bad. We're playing micros and
We're up 135 bucks.
Oh, okay.
God damn it, Jackie.
Go get dressed, boys. So we can go to the science museum. Why?
Oh, Josh just messaged me that he is going to go to the job site now. So he's going to meet me. He's getting there at 11:30. So I'm
That's
going
where
to.
you're going?
Yeah, correct.
At least
Oh.
make money that way.
Well, hopefully we'll be done. I don't know, today or tomorrow, I gotta imagine.
You guys need to go
We
get
do have a
dressed.
decent amount of support down here at 853. We do have our 200 at 851, and then our little VWAP here at 841. Or 844, depending on what chart you're looking at. So it might be a good time. Let's see. 874. I mean, that's just a huge volume shelf right here, too.
Yeah, I mean, if you kind of look at the 1 hour again, we had that big doji candle on the 1 hour, which on a smaller time frame, if I'm looking at our 1 or 5, that tells me kind of it did a pop up, and it kind of doji kind of tells me, okay, this may be a reversal. If everything was trending up, that would tell me reversal.
Right.
This candle opened, pushed straight down, pushed back up, and kind of reclaimed maybe half of that wick up on the top, and then pushed back down.
Yep.
So
Oh, wow. This is
I'm
pushing.
not totally set up that this is. I kind of want to see it clear our top. So kind of for me, it would be. We got to come up here and clear. We got to get back above 8 or 9, 10,
Yep.
which is a long way to go from down here, but. I want to see it clear 9, 10 and hold it, and then I want to see it pop over 920s.
Zero
But
down,
yeah, see,
shorter right of market open, rotors to the lows. Nice, man.
Not a boy.
We did the opposite, I guess. Oh, we caught a little bit. We caught a couple moves on that short too, actually. But then
Yeah.
the main one was the that long ski. Ooh, Ooh, still pushing. Still pushing. Breaking our blue line. Nvidia's flattening out, though. I don't like seeing that. VIX is at support. I don't like seeing that. But otherwise, it's looking primed.
When you see Josh today, you know you're gonna do right.
Yeah. Hi.
Concise.
Hi. Hi, Jackie.
Like an actual yes or no.
Alright, pushing it again. Pushing it again. Shoot, man. Yeah, I should have just jumped in. I wanted to jump in. I was talking about that when we were at 53. I was like, "Oof, this is good support." Darn. Darn, darn, darn.
I don't know why I feel so gun shy now. I feel invincible. But
Yeah, no, you were killing. I get it though, man. Yeah, because you're. I feel the same way too. It's so stupid because I'm up 131 bucks. You know, like yay! Now let's be very choosy and selective.
well, and then you know when it crosses over kind of this trend line I just drew, I want it to close over it, and then I want it to kind of retest it.
Yeah.
NQ and ES both just popped over the box. So on a 5-minute ride, I would want this 5 minute to close above 915.
Right.
And then I want to see it come back and retest it maybe. Kind of the same way it did this morning, right? At 945, 950 candle, it closed above it. It came and retested it, and it actually rejected off of it and dropped. But
Zero Dawn, I swear I won't fade.
so that tells me he's going to short it.
Yeah, I mean everybody's looking beautiful right now for that. Oh man.
Yeah, kind of
got FOMO on that one.
missed
100.
that.
There's 100 points again. 100 points from 853.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Look at you, cool kid.
Nice, man.
Well, and Charles, I mean, we're cheering for Charles because he's betting on 25K. So
Charles,
25,000
Charles,
to come
Charles, Charles, Charles.
Wyatt and I can share socks.
Actually, Wyatt said he wanted to race you again today.
I'm not racing it. Like, I like period.
Oh, good.
And I'm not racing it when I don't have it either.
Oh, good.
He's faster than me. He's gonna win. Doesn't matter.
I know, it makes me feel good.
Well, it makes me feel like crap because I don't like running. Why? I don't like running. Debbie said you wanted to race me. What?
Man, yeah, I don't know. Now I want it to come back down to, you know, like the 870s or something.
You wanted to race
And just make sure make a new higher low, and then we can jump on it again.
yeah, I mean between 900 and 890, I would try maybe. But I mean, yeah, we just had another 100-point rip
No, we're not.
almost.
But if you win, then you don't get to.
Oh, guess what's coming today?
My phone?
Yep.
How do you know?
I checked the shipping yesterday. Let's go pop this in.
I mean, shoot, we could almost do one here with a stop at 913, 20-point stop.
Right. I don't hate it.
It's just too late though. Again, we're being too hesitant now. Look at that.
Did I hear it right? Cowboy getting a modified F450. Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, that's
he
what
is.
we were talking about. I mean, instead of Lambos and Ferraris, you know, I'd have a collection of Ford Super Duties
Yeah, man.
and trailers. I mean, I think, shoot, we probably got, I don't know, we probably got 12 or 15 trailers right now that we use all the time. And
Yeah,
I'd probably have, you know, 50 of them.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I know it, man. Just get all the diamond plating and everything. Just get them all
Yeah.
nice. Man, the one that I'm looking at too even has like the back spoiler that has like the lights underneath it and everything. You know.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Sheesh.
Heck yeah. We've been looking at getting another enclosed just for our. We've got a gutter machine we need to put in our trailer, so.
Oh man.
Scratch me.
Yeah, there's actually, so I mean, same thing. I was looking to see if there's any just trailers that had tools in it, any like woodworking, handyman services going out of business and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
And there's a nice 7 by 16 right now that was a gutter truck. So it has the machine in there and it has all like the extra supplies and stuff like that. I think it was like 12
Oh yeah.
grand or something.
Yeah. That's a good business to be in. I don't know
Gutters?
how it is over there, but yeah.
Oh, presumably same thing because I mean real estate's booming, right?
Oh
Man,
yeah.
still
Yeah.
freaking pushing. We're sitting on the sidelines. Literally broke our line. It came back, did a little retest on the 9.
Chilly day.
Ugh.
It's a little cool out this morning.
When I keep moving my cursor and leaving it, thinking, okay, if it holds 936, and then this candle wick down to it, pop right up above it, and I'm just still sitting here. So
Yeah,
now we're at the high of the day.
right. Which again shows you. Look at that. Look at your chart compared to my. Wait, you're on M and Q, right? Still?
I have.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Weird.
I'm struggling to find a large campsite.
Yours looks just a little different than mine. Maybe not.
I don't know if it's because it's.
I got in log at 900. Where was the call out, Zero Dawn? Where was the call out?
So I don't know if maybe we should look into maybe the following weekend.
Yeah, Nvidia's just pushing real good still.
Yeah, so I'm gonna keep looking around. I just briefly did it, like right after you texted me that one.
We got the full candle closure on the 5 minute above our box, so
I saw that were available didn't seem like they were large enough to pop more than.
our first target technically would be that 25,022.
So I'll keep looking. Okay. Thanks. Talk to you later.
Oh,
I mean, I'd hate to. I don't know. That's probably dumb. Kind of gonna wait and see what it gets up here. See if it gets up here to the 990, 992. We got a pivot point right there on the 5 minute. We just wicked through the high, the 64s. See if we get a little rejection at the 90s.
man, what a friggin' rip. Stupid of me, too, again. Like, we were right at the 200 and everything. Oh.
Well, and we called it out too, right? I mean, we wanted it to push up here to 910, right past our trend line.
Yep.
It did exactly what we wanted. Didn't really get the retest, but then it just pushed all the way back up.
I might try that setup that you had yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Still pushing up. There's the man, I hope. Pivot point at 2508. Okay, I had mine at 992. And then I have my next one at 25022. 08. Well, Zero Dawn, I want to short it right there, but I'm not going to.
Oh, the 25,000. We actually hit it, man. I can't believe it. What a
Yeah, so-
friggin' long that would have been from the 850s. Not that we would have, I mean, you would have held it. I would have taken 10 points on that thing and then been pissed. But at least I would have taken the 10. All right, let me see. And then I
This is
got to
what
add
Trade of Eight
in.
So on your Trade of 8 Zero Dawn, you just have it as, is it just standard pivot points, or what do you have on there? Got it right to the pivot point. Nice. Still pushing though. Nice. Yeah, I really love that setup we had yesterday, and I just kind of did it on the fly, but
Yeah, dude. I thought it was brilliant. I thought it looked really, really good. Oh, the ratio. I don't like. I hate it when things aren't 100% even though.
all right, I'm gonna try. This is dumb, guys, but I gotta try a little short right there. I'm just gonna try one. I'm gonna give that sucker 20, 30 points, but
Nice.
I mean that's kind of 2 pivot points of mine. It's gone through the top of the previous market box was 40. Then 82.
I mean,
I'm
it
just trying
could.
to catch a knife, guys.
It should be the 20s rejection though. You know, makes sense.
Yeah, I like that it was also the 20s, but so we'll just see what happens.
45
Maybe
seconds
kind of
left of this
target for to come
candle.
back to the 9. I don't know. And it may just keep ripping. Zero Dawn says, keep going. I'm sorry.
Order filled.
All right. Thanks, driving this session. Yeah. We get on right after Greg a little bit, usually an hour or so after him. So I go get the boy, make sure the boys are okay, make sure they don't need anything, heat my
Yep.
lunch up, and then I eat live and do a little trading.
I eat live, and then in addition to me eating live, we put a couple
Yeah.
trades on. That's beautiful.
Okay, so here's kind of our half retracement if we're looking for a little downside. So let's see if our 10s kind of hold as our rejection point, or if we get that pop back up.
Got 20 seconds left of this candle. Oh, just barely pushing it again. 10
So yeah,
seconds
push
left.
right back up. So we're pretty strong.
3 seconds. Come on, Forrest, run, says Zero Dawn. I mean, at this point, if it pops, it would probably go to 25,040s.
That's kind of, yeah, that's exactly what I'm seeing there. 40s, and then we could be well over 25-1 or.
Yeah. Good push down, though.
And if it's going to pop right here, I mean, it's definitely going to collect some momentum. It's going to get a lot of bears in, and then squeeze them at one more time, maybe. NVIDIA is kind of at the top of its box and rejecting, so, but it's got a pivot point below it, so.
Do you know my shoes are coming, babe? Nice, man. Sneaking down, sneaking down.
I mean, VIX just crushed. I mean, it was ripping earlier, and I mean, now it's just.
Yeah.
But it's kind of at a pivot point as well, so.
Yeah, NVIDIA's turning just a little red.
There's the 9 touch. It's come up a long way from where it was a while ago, though. We were 10 points down more a while ago, so.
Right.
Did you make your bed?
There's Charles. I do like the 25040s.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think the 25040 is definite, Charles. I mean, that was kind of our pre-market high there, kind of our 15-minute pre-market, kind of yesterday's box, I guess, right? So But y'all know me. When it's dropping, I try to long it, and when it's running, I try to short it. So.
I mean, it's definitely looking pretty weak now. What time is it? 10:35. We got 30 seconds left of this 5-minute candle.
Order filled.
And you're up 20 points right there, guys. If anybody followed us, hopefully y'all didn't. But I know Zero Don didn't. I know Charles didn't. But they were in like 200 points ago, so they don't have a care in the world.
Oh, shoot. Oh, well, the theme of today, me taking stuff way too early, continues.
Just gonna take it off at the 85s if it gives it to us.
83% win rate. Man, I'm being way too stinking quick.
Did I fade? Yeah, Zero Dawn, I've been in since I shorted it at 16, 4 or 5 candles ago. Fixing to get wicked out maybe.
What?
We were just looking for the 80.
Oh, why?
85,
Don't do that.
just for a little retracement after that big run.
They're going to flop around everywhere, bud. All right, 3 seconds left. New candle.
All right. Runner was hit, so we're out of the trade. Gonna see if we can get that little half retracement. Charles took profit at 25.018. Man, we've been rooting for you the whole time. When it hit 25,000, we were hoping you were watching.
Yeah, Charles. Dude, beautiful call out too. Charles, you're another one, man, that you're really, really good at holding those long stinking trades. I found I'm only good at holding red trades. I can hold a red trade real well, you know? But holding that green trade.
Sometimes that competitive nature gets out in us, though, and we don't want to lose.
Right, man.
I don't shame you made money. And I made it on a short, so write that down, Zero Don.
Right?
That I made money right there on the short.
Oh, yeah, those are about even now.
I'm still not hating the short now, though. I mean, we can't really clear that.
Especially if it breaks the 87s. I would say like 87 break, maybe a little retest if we can get it fast enough, and then ride it down to the 21 maybe.
Yeah.
Charles says he only does one per day.
Nice.
Man, there was another challenge concept that it would just be way too long of a video too, and I think it would potentially boring. I don't know if it'd go in the right direction or not, but you wake up Monday, you decide, am I long or am I short? And you do what Charles is talking about. You enter one trade and you have to hold it the entire week, which of course prop firm rules means like at 5 o'clock or at 4:59 you would cash out of that position, and then at 6:01 you would instantly re-enter the whatever position and direction it was. And so there will definitely be some slippage in between that 5 to 6 every single time. But still, it'd be interesting to see over a week from Monday to the end of day Friday, how far does one M&Q go?
Yeah, yeah.
That'd be kind of an interesting one. Because I wonder how many views it would get. Like, I wouldn't even sit here. You know, you'd do an opening monologue. You'd enter the trade, and then you just walk away, and you just keep it live the entire time.
Yeah.
Actually, man, that might get a shitload of views and followers and just weird stuff, because people are like, wow, this guy's just rolling this trade 24/7. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Might not be a bad idea.
Yeah, Zero Dawn. So I think Charles got in at like the 24,820s. So he wrote it up for like 180 points or something.
Yeah,
Best I
not
remember.
bad.
Is that right, Charles?
Not bad at all. Do 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 57 to 57 to 90, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, like 33. So my biggest today was 33. I mean, you can't hate 33, I guess, but damn, man. Shoo.
I mean, right now we're just kind of consolidating, chopping right here.
Are you gonna step away for a second?
You're a rose in a field of dandelions.
If you're not in a trade, it's just kind of YOLO.
Oh,
what
fuck
direction
you.
It's gonna go.
What do you need
When
help
you
with?
get down to the science of it.
Ah, you dickhead. All right. What do you need?
You put Roy's car seats back in my car. If you take them off, you need to give them to me. But don't take them off. And you'll be fine.
Too old to trade. Let's go. Hey, good to see you here. Charles, yeah, entry was 24,827. I thought it was the 820s, Charles. That's the best I remember, just kind of reading back on it. Zero Dawn, what do you think we're going to do, Cowboy? I'm still in my long with a stop loss. I mean, I think right now we're just trying to consolidate to pump higher, right? I mean, I don't see a lot of weakness. I mean, our volume is starting to pick back up. It keeps kind of turning red to green on the 15 minute, our volume candle. We're 50% above the box at 25,022. I really don't know why we're not going to wick through the 40, because that was our yesterday box. I think we had this little good run. We had that beautiful inversion. Right here we made our real nice W. We pushed above it. We just got to get through this 10 area. The 20, I don't think the 20, I mean, we had a pivot point there on my chart. Not a pivot point, but we were 50% above the box. And so that was kind of a rejection. And then, since everybody's been talking on the internet, everybody targets those 80s and 20s. So I think we get a push above it easily to the 40s. And then, I mean, our next pivot point isn't until, on TradingView, on mine isn't until the 220s, 222. Zeroed on, I would like the 50s. Yeah, and I think the 50s are doable. I think even if it just wicks through the yesterday's box, right? But I would definitely be targeting the 40s. I mean, here comes the 30s right here, still pushing. Finally got that breakout above. It's kind of rejecting right there, so I don't want it to be just a little bull fake out. But now we kind of want those 20s to hold, and it to pop back up above it, right, and kind of hold it. At least for sure show our 10's going to hold instead of being a rejection. Yeah, and Zero Dawn says, Charles, that was a good entry. It was a great entry, yeah. And he wrote it. We kind of got in together, and he just kept riding and kept riding. So we played it right off the 1 hour, Zero Dawn. We called it out. We talked about it for probably 3 or 4 minutes before the 1 hour opened, but it pushed right down into our pivot point. We got in at like, I think I got in at 820, and I rode that to 920. Charles stayed in through that little bit of drawdown, about 60, 70 points down, and then we got that beautiful push back up. So he rode it really well.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime we can get on and get out at 100 points live on YouTube, though, we have to get out, whether it's going to keep going another 500, because that's the only way Greg can make our videos.
That's insane, right? I know. When I come home tonight, I'll definitely make that one, man. I got to.
Yeah.
A three-peat 100-point trades is a crazy stinking day. And again, it's just something you don't see. Who else? Honestly, who else is doing it?
Yeah. So we kind of had that rejection up there, 30s, guys. So I mean, I wonder if they're trying to kind of pull us back a little bit, kind of trap some people that are in their longs.
Man, what are you doing? Oh wait, no, that's not what I want to do. I want to do it like this.
And Greg, I didn't even go back and watch any of our stream yesterday. Did you notice when you were listening if we had any echo or anything?
Dude,
Or
I
didn't?
I mean, oh my God. I'm embarrassed to say, same thing. I didn't actually go back
Okay.
and rewatch it.
I didn't know
meant
when you were
to.
watching yesterday if you kind of heard any or.
Yeah, no, I didn't, because I had it muted and it was just on OBS.
Okay.
Let me see.
OBS is kind of freaky when you do that because I can see you. I have to watch you talk now.
Yeah. Oh, I know
But
it.
if I look down at the YouTube, you're not doing anything.
Oh, I know. Yeah, so I do the same thing. I just through our video, you know. I listen to you directly through video, and that's what I was thinking too, is because there is technically a 3-second delay here, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, especially with some of your like sniper entries, you know, you got to make sure it's like, boom, nice, I got it.
Yeah. Zero Dawn. I should have tuned in earlier to witness the miracle of the machine gun cowboy trading. Yeah, it
Yeah,
was just a crazy
man.
one. I mean, we did something not a lot different, but instead of me just watching the 1 hour not saying anything, we just kind of talked through it a little bit this time. So
I mean, my mind, if it would just went through kind of.
It's not looking bad.
So there's our little push down right there. Let's see how far.
I mean, it's not looking bad.
Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, I was just it was probably the microphone. It sounded like was maxed out,
Playing
okay.
but it wasn't echoey.
Yeah, I think Brad kept telling me to turn. I think he kept telling me to turn myself up or turn you down, and I think I just turned myself up instead of turning you down.
Cause you sound perfect. I'm trying to. I guess I didn't talk.
Come on, don't stop right there. Keep going.
Yeah, not terrible, man. Not terrible.
Got a little bit back. Down 63 on the day.
So you can hear it was just a little bit, not necessarily echoey,
yeah.
but just a little not robotic, but like gravelly, you know.
It
All
was
right,
a
so
struggle to get it that good for me, guys. It was a struggle. Greg hasn't figured out here, but he
Well,
couldn't hear me half the first 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and then I couldn't hear him, and then...
But even now, man, and I appreciate you saying it. I gotta adjust it too, because like your voice comes beautifully through VDO, but then when I rewatch my stream, your voice has just the tiniest little like tin to it, you know.
Make sure he doesn't run.
Okay.
All right.
And when you, lock him up when you leave. He doesn't have beds in there right now though, because.
Aw, poor flea-ridden animal. Yeah, so we're kind of just bouncing in a range now, guys. We've been stuck in this range, I mean, basically since 10:30. Well, that's not that bad. That's a 10-minute range. All right, we're doing good. NVIDIA, wow. NVIDIA's still ripping, though. VIX is up just a little bit. Qs, ES. I mean, it seems like we're just waiting for a move to happen. I'd almost presume that move is going to be like a quick kiss at like 967, and then we're gonna start going up again. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. All right, I'm going to give it 2 more minutes, though, because unfortunately, it might be our last day. One more day of building that fireplace.
One more day.
One more day. So got to meet my buddy out there. But great stinking day, man. I had a lot of fun today. Great stinking day. We're both
Yeah, for
beautifully
sure.
green. You know, hopefully everybody in the chat is beautifully green as well. We got to witness 3 100-point trades taken live, which is a beautiful thing to see. You're still
Yeah, I mean, we're
100%. For how many trades?
100%. 907.50.
How many trades
Our
is that? How
biggest
many?
drawdown was nothing. We never had any drawdown.
And I can't see it. How many trades did you take today? Does it say?
14 trades.
Damn, dude, 14 at 100%. That's crazy. What is the
Zero
length of
Dawn, I mean,
time? What was your average trade time? That'll be a little bit longer today.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. My longest trade was 11 minutes and 9 seconds.
Wow, dude. Nicely done.
And that is monumental for me, guys.
Nicely done, sir. All right, let's see mine. Mine's going to look pathetic compared to that. So 174, 20 trades today. 85% profitability. Let's see. My longest winning trade was 2 minutes. What is my average trade? 43 seconds. Average trade time 44 seconds. I'm quick, man. I got to work on that. Yeah. It's always a plus though when your largest winning is bigger than your largest losing.
Yeah, for sure.
Look at that. I started out a little iffy. We were in a little drawdown. We were down about 112 bucks today. We went from being down 112 to up 174. So not terrible. Not a terrible day. Ooh, Zero Dawn looking for a short soon. Man, you guys, literally every single time I'm like, hey, I'm ready to leave. It's time for me to leave. And then they're like, oh, what's there? A little short, you say, huh? Hey, shorty, where that shorty at?
I mean, what are we looking for, Zero Dawn? I kind of drew a little trend line here. Is that kind of what you're seeing? Wanting it to break through that?
I mean, basically, I want to see NVIDIA kind of break that shelf. VIX is popping up a little.
Yeah, and NVIDIA's pulling back pretty good, but I don't want it to bounce on the box at that 92.07. That's the only thing. I mean, VIX is pushing back up. ES could still be a bull flag on the 5-minute. And NQ could also. I mean, if this pivot point, this 992 holds, I don't know.
What time is it? 9:53. 15 seconds left. And then let's see what our 5-minute candle does. Starting to lose some strength, though.
You know, me being a long-term trader now, you know, it's not really showing up anything.
Me being long term on my hourly. I'm looking at the 4-hour right now in the 6-month. I'm looking at the 6-month confluence. Well, shoot, there's the short end.
25.018 held from 24.900 to 25.08. Nice.
The short is
TPP.
starting to short.
Nice, Zero Dawn. Yeah, so 118 points.
So we wicked down, we pushed back up, but we didn't really push back up with, I feel like, a lot of strength, huh?
No, everything kind of bounced off the 9. I mean, and that's what everything kind of bounced off of. VIX has the 9 above it to get a rejection. But I mean, I
Here's
don't
our
hate the short.
brand new 5-minute candle right here. Hey, Shimya, what's up? Thank you so much for stopping in and saying hi. I hope you're
Zero
beautifully
Dawn says
green today.
form a short on the 1, 5, and 15. Yeah, for sure.
Starting to form the short on the 1, 5, and 15. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's looking weak. The only thing I don't like, again, is we don't really have too much of a wick on the previous 5-minute candle, right?
Right. Yeah.
25,010. So maybe we pop up to like the 25,013s quick and then pop down. Happy Green Tuesday. I like that. We're all
Yeah,
green
heck
today.
yeah.
We're all doing good. We all got a couple 100-point trades today.
Oh.
Well, there it is. There's the tap we were thinking. The 972 at the very least.
Yeah, I kind of had it set. I was going to try to take it at the 94. It was right there, and I just didn't take it.
Man, if it pushes through here, oh God, I'm a little nervous to take that one. But I mean, if it pushes through, you'd think it'd drop at least. Oh, I mean, it's got some room to drop.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we got 3 minutes till the 1 hour closes, but yeah, I mean,
Tomatillo Sauce Tuesday.
there you go.
Shoo! Get some of that tomatillo.
Chips and salsa for everyone.
Shoo! All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna call it, man. I'm just sitting here. I'm like, oh, I should have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Should have done that. Shouldn't, And it's just gonna be one of those things that I'm gonna make the wrong trade on my very last trade. Then I'm gonna be pissed, and I'm never gonna walk away.
Yeah, we've had a great morning, guys.
Right.
Great morning.
All right, so hold on. Let's paper trade this shit really quick, just to prove to myself I was right, because I definitely want to do a short right now. So let's say we're in the short. Here's my stop. My stop is at 995, and we got a bad entry. So we got in at, we'll say, 975. Yeah, we'll say we FOMO'd right here. We're in at 975. So worst case scenario, stop is at 995. And then we'd probably target 944, but we take it after 2 points because that's what we do.
And we're done, guys.
We're done. We did it. Oh, God.
Doug's in the chat.
Oh, man. Well, this is even dumber than me being in it almost, because now I'm just wasting my time. All right, gang. We're going to call it right there. Wins for the day. We did great. Make sure you pop on over to the Trading Cowboys channel. He'll be on in about an hour. Like and subscribe, please, because we love you all to death. Ooh, Zero Dawn. Yeah. Zero Dawn, honestly, please just stop talking, because every time you say something, man, you delay me by like 15 minutes because you get me all excited. Like the rejection off the pivot point. Now I'm like, oh, fuck, man. All right, maybe we're in.
I do. I mean,
I like it too, man. I friggin' like it too. Damn it.
I just don't want this 71 to be support right here, but
right. I mean, if it breaks 70 though, that's going to be a real nice push, a quick nice push down to 50.
Oh, now Shimmy is telling you not.
Now everybody's telling us to take it. Everybody. Oh my God, man, I'm never going to leave. I mean, that's a real nice looking bull flag though on the 5-minute. That 5-minute looks like a real nice looking bull flag. I love that we have the 5-minute up here now. This honestly,
Me
so
too.
again, this
Me
was
too.
this was Trading Cowboys call out. He perfected this screen yesterday for us, so I think that this thing looks awesome. But yeah, Zero Dawn, Shimya, you know, Charles, Miguel, everybody, Driving Obsession, Jose, we love you guys to death. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We thoroughly appreciate
Yeah,
it.
thanks, guys.
You have a lot of options out there, but I'll tell you one thing. I'm pretty sure that we are the only live YouTube channel today that has hit 3 100-point trades. That's pretty
Let's go,
damn
guys.
good.
Come
I
on.
mean, anybody, go to any other YouTuber today. Show me one that did at least 3 100-point trades today live. That's pretty damn good. But all right, guys. Appreciate the hell out of you. Pop over to Trading Cowboy, and we'll rock and roll with you
See you
again
in about an
tomorrow
hour.
morning. Oh, sorry,
All
sir.
right, giddy up, guys.
Ew. All right, how do we stop this thing?